What's up guys, welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look at the VRS Design Premium Airpods Max cases. So yeah, you got it. Cases for your AirPod Max. So what this is the active version. So you'll see this says here, AirPods Max Active. And again, this is from VRS Design. They have well known for not only AirPod cases for like the pros and the first gens and second gens, but also for like your iPhone and stuff like that, and even other phones and cases and iPads and all that good stuff. VRS Design, been around a while, produce quality stuff. So it's premium, made with high quality materials. It's slim, it protects, provides maximum protection, anti-shock, it's super light, no added bulkiness, and it's got, still keeping in mind a button sensitivity. So it says precise cutouts for responsive feedback. So all of that in a case for your AirPods Max. So let's go ahead and open both of these up. Let's see here. One for the left, one for the right. That's all there is. I'll open this one up. One for the left, one for the right. And again, depending on, these are different colors here, depending on what color you got. You might, I don't know how these white ones would look on the gray, space gray, but so nice packaging. So let's go ahead and take these out of the wrap. Very rugged looking. Now, if you're wondering what these are made out of, they're not aluminum, they're just like plastic, okay? And we'll take this off. It's got a little sticky piece inside of here. Help hold it on. AirPods Max Active. So we definitely here it's like they're both the same. So let's go ahead and plop this on. So we just got the plain old space gray. Look at that. Woo! Man, those look like different headphones. Super nice. I like. Wow. And it does. It makes them feel definitely protected. It makes them like more rugged. I like it. Now, I don't know if I'd want to rock this color, but maybe you get, the silver. Add a little silver and white. I don't think I'm going to install these on here. Kind of super happy with the space gray and this color. But so there's what your silver and white would look like, and if you want any idea, not a fan. So I actually really do like this look though. So if you're interested in some nice quality cases to protect, and again, all your buttons, it's got precise cutouts, you can still charge. Everything's cut out perfectly. I can still see all the little ports and everything in here. So, doesn't cover up anything, even underneath here. All good. Precise cutouts. So there you go. Check the show notes. I'll have a link for the VRS Design AirPods Max Active cases. And if you want to grab yourself some or read up a little bit more about them, have at it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.